Morning guys, need something from the shed to finish off the fish automaton. Because I want to try and make it solar powered, so the easiest thing to do would be to get the big solar panel that I've got on this solar powered radio controlled boat. So that's what we're going to try. That's handy. I can see I've made it plug ended, so I can just unplug that and plug it into the electrics for the fish automaton. I keep forgetting what it's called. Alright, that's stage one. Find the boat. Lovely morning. Well, not quite as I hoped. Nice big solar panel wired directly into the back of the motor, so those batteries are not in circuit. If I switch it on, you can probably hear the motor spinning up nicely, but as soon as I put any load on it, it can't cope. Nothing. Even if I give it a bit of help, nothing. So we're not getting enough power from that solar panel, and that's the biggest solar panel I've got. So this isn't going to work, which is a shame. I hoped it might. And I can't complain it's not a sunny day, because, well, it's not perfect sunshine out there. There is a bit of shadow, a bit of cloud up there. But, yeah, it's just not going to work. Because that's only to go into there. If I had that one in, well, if it can't turn that, it's not going to turn that one as well. So that's as far as we're going to go at the moment. Well, the only thing I could do is 3D print a whole gear range there, so we can use low power to step up slowly till we get to enough power to actually turn the important wheel. And then the wiggly bit. But that takes a lot of power to do that. And there isn't enough power coming from the battery. From the solar panel. So yeah, that's as far as we're going to go there, I'm afraid. Yeah, that's a shame. It would have been nice to have been using solar power. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, And down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.